Hey, what's up guys, it's Phonix, and in today's video I'm going to tell you guys 5 ways you can earn money as a teenager. So guys, before starting the video, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and also turn post notifications on so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So the first way to make money is by selling t-shirts online. You can purchase t-shirts offline, or you can submit your designs on Teespring and they will make the t-shirt for you and also ship it to the buyer. So if you have some free time and you have a car or a bike, you can deliver food for people. You can log into Uber Eats and take orders, and in this way you can just wander around your town and get some extra cash. So the last but not the least step is to start your own YouTube channel and be a YouTuber. There are a lot of topics that you can make a YouTube channel about. For example, daily vlogging, make a tutorial channel, make a reaction channel, and much more. So yeah guys, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up, and as I said, subscribe to my channel because I will be posting every other day, and also turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. So guys, it's Phonix and I am signing out. Peace.